Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure commands will work. Enable cheats in single player or get operator permissions on a server. Once done, check your Minecraft version because the exact syntax and namespace can change. Next, decide who receives night vision, you, another player, or everyone, and note the player selector or username. This gets you straight into the command line without delay, so you can apply the effect immediately and avoid wasting time experimenting in-game. You type the core command, /effect give player night vision seconds amplifier. For normal night vision, set the amplifier to 0, the duration uses seconds, so 300 means 5 minutes. Once done, press enter and the screen will brighten immediately because the effect negates darkness and adjusts gamma internally. Make sure to include the correct player selector like at S for yourself. If your version needs namespaces, use Minecraft, night vision. This ensures the command targets the right effect without errors. You finish by removing or adjusting the effect. Use /effect clear player night vision to stop it, or change duration with another give command. If the command fails, make sure you actually have permission to run commands, verify you spelled the effect correctly, and include Minecraft, night vision if your server requires namespaced ID. Additionally, check that you are not in an environment that blocks effects. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing happens, open chat logs to read.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.